C++ is an object-oriented programming language which gives a clear structure to programs. It was developed by Bjorn Stroustrup in 1976 at Bell Labs. In other words, we can say C++ is extension of C language. You can see a basic C++ computer program on the screen. Lines that begin with hash. They are preprocessor directives. They are integrated before compilation of the program. In this case, hash include IOStream. ये प्री प्रोसेसर को इंस्ट्रक्ट करेगा to include a standard header file IOStream that allows us to perform input and output operations such as writing the output of this program to the output screen. Int main. It means we are declaring a function here. Functions is a vast topic. We will discuss functions in detail in a later chapter, but for now you only need to know int is return type of the function, main is name of the function. It is special function in C++. It is called when the program is run. Execution of program begins with the main function regardless of where the function is actually located within the code. In more simpler language, आप मेन फंक्शन के अंदर जो कुछ भी लिखोगे it will be executed. This statement specifies the actual behavior. The statement is divided into three parts. First, stdcout, which identifies standard character output device. Second, insertion operator, which indicates that what follows is inserted into stdcout. Finally, the sentence within quotes hello world is content to be inserted into standard output. Here \n means a new line character. आप जो कुछ भी इसके बाद लिखोगे it will be inserted into a new line. Note that we have used here int main. It means we have to return some integer value to the main function. Returning 0 means successful completion of the program. 2/ sign indicates the rest of the line is comment inserted by the programmer, but which has no effect on the behavior of the program. Programmers use them to include short definitions of observations concerning the code or program. The highlighted line is a single line comment. The highlighted portion is multiple line comment. It is started by using /* and it is closed by using */. Semicolon marks end of the sentence. In case we don't use this, compiler is going to show us an error. You can see the opening and closing brackets after the function int main. They represent block of the function main. What will happen if I remove std and the scope resolution operator? There is a compiler error. Compiler cannot identify the word cout. Cout is part of standard library and all the elements and standard C++ libraries are declared within what is called namespace. So I have got an alternative solution. I am using the line using namespace std. \n can be replaced by a keyword called endl. Let's run the code and now you can see that we have got the desired output on the console screen. So this is the basic structure of C++ program. Documentation represents comments, link section represents hash include, definition section represents using namespace std, main function represents the main part. In this video we haven't discussed about global declaration section, function declaration section and subprogram section. No need to worry about that. We will discuss about it later.